Kids under 5 aren't being silly when they tell you their age to the nearest half year because 10% of their life is substantial.
Fingernails and hair probably make a noise when growing, it's just too small and slow to hear.
As an adult, there's nothing stopping you from buying and enjoying a birthday cake when it's not your birthday.
As self-driving cars become more prevalent, eventually they will be mandated and regular cars will be illegal to use.
You never feel like you become an adult, you just get older and wiser than everyone around you.
We already live in a time where a city of flying cars is achievable, we just realized they're not as convenient as we thought they'd be.
Schrödinger's cat can observe the box from the inside, which completely ruins the experiment.
Adding the word tactical to the flashlight description doubles its sales despite doubling the price.
Your best friend from school thinks about you as often as you think about them.
The Star Wars universe has species that live for over 900 years, but things that happened 30 years ago are considered old legends.
The dirtier the mind is, the cleaner the browser history is.
Your food doesn't actually go bad, it's just other organisms like fungi decide to eat it before you do.
Every adult you've ever seen or will see has likely cried over the loss of someone they've loved.
Making a killing is better than making a living.
Haven't heard about crop circles in at least 10 years.
Contortionists have cleaner backs than the rest of us humans.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
Meg is the most mentally strong person in Family Guy because she's been mentally and physically abused for over 20 years and hasn't killed herself or run away.
Maple trees live in a world dominated by super-intelligent vampires. Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
Pets are the aristocrats of the animal kingdom.
A full bladder is the most effective alarm clock.
People who brush their teeth twice daily spend more than 24 hours annually just brushing their teeth.
Putting sweaty socks back on seems more gross than keeping sweaty socks on.
A toaster can be considered broken because it toasts too well.
Given the number of people you walked by, there's a high chance that someone you liked you back.
Having a long way to go is better than having nowhere to go. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. Looking for the perfect gift for your dad? Check out the official Daily Dad Jokes podcast electronic button now available on Amazon. A massive 500 preloaded dad jokes guaranteed to make you laugh and groan. Check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.